Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Mark. In today's video, I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Pocket Edition add-on. It's actually going to allow me to head to the Angry Birds 2 dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the Angry Birds 2 dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Pocket Edition Angry Birds 2 dimension add-on. Wow, that was a long name, guys, but everything you guys are going to need to head to this absolutely amazing, fantastic, glorious dimension is inside this one beautiful, glorious chest right here, guys. So what you guys gonna need first, you're gonna need tin light blue wool, you're also gonna need fur red wool, and you're also gonna need a flint and steel to light it all up. You're also probably gonna have some enchanted golden apples just in case you end up accidentally burning something you was never supposed to burn, because then you're gonna be like, ouch, ouchie ouch, ooh ouch ouch. And that's not a good thing. I'm also bringing along my lucky fish, and I'm also bringing along a cow, a pig, and a villager. Unfortunately, my chicken could not make it because he accidentally had a run-in with a guy that ate him, and this guy is no way tied in with me, guys, although I did eat him. I also brought some milk and some cookies, guys, in case I get hungry or in case I see Santa Claus, and also bring a zombie head because, you know, why not bring a zombie head, guys, because, you know, I might need to eat that zombie head or put it on, guys, so no zombies eat my head. But let's go ahead and make this frame. When you're making it, you just want to do the bottom like that. Then you just want to put 3 light blue wool on this side, then 1 red wool on top, and then you just want to go ahead and look around, make sure that you don't see Herobrine anywhere, guys. Like, nowhere at all. Oh my god, was that Herobrine coming in on his jet ski with his model wife? No, I don't think it was, guys. I don't think it was. Now we can jump on down, guys. Go ahead and do this side up. When you're doing this side, you just want to go ahead and put 3 light blue wool, and then 2 light blue wool in the middle, and then you just want to go ahead and put a red wool on the side, and then you just want to go ahead and do an amazing jump down. Oh my god. That was like the most weakest jump I think I've ever done. But wow, that frame looks amazing. Now you can go ahead and light this baby up. Wow, that looks amazing. Now it's time to go ahead and head on into this mystery chest. That's right, guys. Let's go ahead and see what's in the mystery chest. And it looks like we got redstone torches and TNT. So you best believe we're going to be blowing some stuff up, guys. Let's go ahead and get way back, and let's go ahead and run into this absolutely amazing, fantastic dimension. Whee! Well, I jumped straight through. I actually just jumped straight through, guys. Let's go ahead and step on it, head on in. Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Whoa! I legit thought I was going to die. I thought I was going to fall off the edge right there, guys. Just like hit rock bottom. Whoa, that would have been crazy, guys. There for a minute I thought they trolled me. Wow, it nearly scared me half to death, guys. Let's go ahead and see what this is. This looks like some kind of TNT cannon, guys. Wow, this is actually pretty cool, guys. You obviously have to put TNT in that to blow up the Angry Birds. Let's go ahead and see what's in this chest. Of course, there's TNT in the chest, guys. Let's go ahead and put some into this TNT cannon. So I think what we want to do is we just want to put TNT right there. Let's just go ahead and fill this whole thing up, guys. And I think we have to put one right there. And if I'm not right, I'm more than likely probably going to end up dying. But hopefully I am right, guys. Come on. Boom. Wow. Alright. Obviously we did something wrong, guys. I'm not for sure what we did wrong, but obviously we did something wrong. Let's go ahead and try to light up some more of this. Let's actually go ahead and put that TNT on the end. We do not want to forget to do that. Let's go ahead and light this baby up now. Come on, come on. Boom! Wow, we actually hit it this time, guys. Wow, and it knocked a lot of them out. Let's go ahead and disarm this. You want to make sure that you do disarm this, guys, or else it will blow up and you will probably get sent flying way down. And you might even hit like a pool of lava or something, guys. Let's go ahead and hit it again. Come on, come on. I think we're going to hit the sky. Boom, and we did. We hit the sky, guys. Wow, that was amazing. Now, you're only supposed to have 3 turns, but I'm actually going to go ahead and take another turn, guys, and see if we can hit any more of them. So let's go ahead And let's just go ahead and use 5. Let's just go ahead and use 6. Let's just go ahead and light this up, guys, and see what happens. Actually, let me just take those out. It seems like you have a better chance if you only use like 4 to 3. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's go ahead and watch this baby fly. Boom! We hit this guy again. I was hoping taking some of that TNT out would give us better odds of hitting them pigs. But let's go ahead and let's head on over to the other stage, guys. I have to say we did pretty good on that stage, but I think we're going to do a lot better on this stage. Even though I heard as you advance through the stages, they actually get harder, guys. Wow, there's TNT in that chest too. Let's go ahead and just look through this window. This is like some kind of little base. I wish there was like a cannon that went out of that window where you could shoot the other base. That would be pretty cool, guys. Let's go ahead and let's put some TNT in this, guys, and blow up these angry, vicious pigs, guys. Let's go ahead and flip that lever. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Boom. Oh my God. We overshot, guys. That probably went down there and hit some villagers' home. Some poor innocent villager was probably feeding his kids tomato soup, and then all of a sudden he seen TNT fly through right into his bowl of tomato soup, and then boom. There went his tomato soup. I hope that didn't happen, but it's possible. It's a possibility, guys. Maybe it even hit Hero Brian on his jet ski. Let's go ahead and light this one up, guys, and see where it goes. Come on, baby. Fly. Fly. Boom. What? Well, we actually got some of it. I'll take that, guys. I'll take that, because we're only supposed to have 3 turns, guys. So I'll go ahead and spawn this pig. Do you want another turn? I think he does, guys. I think he wants a turn, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let him play. So let me just go ahead. How much TNT? Or he wants me to put down 4 TNT and then the one on the end. Let's go ahead and see if we can knock these guys out. Come on, come on. This is for the pig. This is for the pig. Boom. I'm sorry, pig. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to blow you up now because you just make such bad decisions. Hopefully he goes flying over there. Boom. Oh my God, he is so big that he don't even move when TNT blows up. That is crazy, guys. Somebody's been feeding him way too much carrots. They've really been feeding him way too much carrots. Oh my God, over here's another window. I'm telling you guys, I wish they had a TNT cannon that shot out of the windows, because I would shoot it over there, guys. And it looks like we have more TNT, and we also have a cow. And let me go ahead and spawn my village as well, guys, because they're probably going to want to watch this go down, because this is probably going to be the best I ever do, because now I'm pulling out my lucky fish. So let's go ahead and let's put this TNT in this TNT cannon, guys. I'm not really for sure what we're doing wrong. I think we're just putting too much TNT in, to be honest. Let's go ahead and light this baby up. Come on, baby, come on. Boom. Oh my God, we actually got it that time, guys. Wow, that was amazing. If we can do that, but get a little more like distance on it, then we'll have this in the bag, guys. But I'm not really for sure how they expect you to blow up them guys, like all the way over to one side, all the way over to the other side. I'm not really for sure how you would do that, guys. Maybe you'd have to mess around with them little redstone repeaters, guys. That might be the key to doing it, like make it 2 clicks instead of 3 clicks. That might give us a little extra distance if we actually did that, guys. But let's go ahead. Let's try to put all the TNT we possibly can in there and see what happens, guys. Come on, blow it up. Boom. Oh my God, it disappeared too. I cannot believe that, guys. The villager just got blown up by the first explosion. Then he ran over to his neighbor's house, and then his neighbor's house got blown up by the explosion, guys. And his neighbor's like, I don't want nothing to do with you, bro, because like you're haunted or something, because explosions follow you everywhere you go. But my villager just came up with a good idea. I should use my flint and steel to try to send the TNT flying. Come on, this better work, villager. Oh my God, guys, it just went flying up in the air. It's probably going to come back and kill me. You know what? I should send you off to birding school with all them other villagers. I knew he was going to try to get back at me after what I did to his villager friend. Now you're going to put your butt in my face? Guys, all I gotta say is my cow disposed of him. It was brutal. It was really brutal, guys, what my cow did. Let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And also let me know how you thought I did. The first level was supposed to be the noob level. And then the second level was supposed to be like the somewhat pro level. And then the third one was supposed to be like the ultra pro level, which I would have to say I probably did the best in the noob. But I did alright in the pro. But let me know what you guys thought. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.